Yeah, they tell you that you should quit trying. You were too small, that you were too young. They tell you the chance is too slim, the world is too big, but you say how come? I'm ready to light a new fire, raise a new flag across a new sea. And if I'm ever the one in your way, then put your head down and run right through me.
So why keep settling for so much less? Don't take what's given, just demand what's next. We're looking for an open door, some we didn't see before, some way to get out of here, a plot twist that we didn't see coming. We're looking for an open door, some we didn't see before, and when we get out of here, we'll never stop running. So I never stop.
It's something like a shadow in the valley, colossal. Open up your eyes, young one, and be watchful. Behind closed doors, trying to write a new gospel. They are not God, they're not even apostles. I come with the dumb drum banging you breathless. Enemies freeze, left bent and defenseless. Straight for the jet of anybody against us. The more they resist it, the more that they tempt us.
Why keep settling for so much less? Don't take what's given, just demand what's next. We're looking for an open door, some we didn't see before, some way to get out of here, a plot twist that we didn't see coming. We're looking for an open door, some we didn't see before, and when we get out of here, we'll take off and never stop running. No, we'll never stop running. No, we'll never stop running. When we get that open door, no, we'll never stop running. So why keep settling for so much less? Don't take what's given, just demand what's next. We're looking for an open door, some we didn't see before, some way to get out of here, a plot twist that we never stop running. We're looking for an open door, some we didn't see before, and when we get out of here, we'll take off and